Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we have question 14 from page number 69 of chapter 4, describing motion around us. The question is, on entering the state highway, a car continues to move with a constant velocity of 6 meter per second for 2 minutes and then accelerate with constant acceleration 1 meter per second square for 6 seconds. Find the displacement of the car on the state highway in 2-minute 6-second time interval by drawing velocity time graph for its motion. So here we are talking about the motion of car. Let us see, at initial stage we consider as phase 1. In phase 1 condition, the car velocity is 6 meter per second and it remained for 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 120 second. Then it accelerate. So this is your phase 2. It accelerate with a constant acceleration of 1 meter per second square for 6 seconds. Then they are saying that find the displacement of the car on a state highway in 2-minute 6-second time interval by drawing VT graph. Means this is phase 1 now, this is phase 2. Let us understand that what will be the final velocity at the end of phase 2. We know that V is equal to U plus AT from the first equation of motion. Initial velocity is given as 6 meter per second. So 6 meter per second I have written. Acceleration is given 1 meter per second square and time is given as 6 seconds. So we see that the final velocity will be second and second get cancelled, 6 plus 6 12. So it is 12 meter per second. Now we will be drawing the graph first. Here it is your graph. This is a vertical and horizontal line. This is x dash, this is y dash, this is your origin. Now as it is 120 second, so it is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and here it is 120, and here it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So initial velocity is 6 meter per second, and before entering to the phase 2, the final velocity is 12 meter per second. So initially for 120 second, this is vertical line represent velocity and this horizontal line represent time. So for 120 second, the velocity of the car remains to be 6 meter per second. So I have to plot the thing 126. So for till 120 second is not completed, the velocity of the car remain to be 6 meter per second. Then what happened? For next 6 second, means let it be here, it is representing 126 second. So for the next 6 second, the acceleration used to be 1 meter per second square, and according to that acceleration, it has achieved a velocity of 12 meter per second. So at 126 second, it will be going for your 126 second. So from here to here, the slope is very flat here, and it becomes a steeper now. So we need to find out the displacement of the car after 2 minutes. So this 120 represent 2 minute, 120 represent 2 minute, and 6 represent 6 second. So we need to find out the area under the graph. This is the area under the graph. So this one, and you have to find the area of this one also. So make it down as A, B, C, D, E, and F. So here, if I am finding the area under the graph, it is finding the area of rectangle plus area of trapezium that we need to find. This is rectangle and this represent trapezium. Area of rectangle is length multiplied with breadth. Area of trapezium is half multiplied with height, that is the distance between two parallel lines, in multiplication with length of two parallel lines. One is A and one is B. What is length of the rectangle? This represents the length of the rectangle. Here it is 120 second. Multiply with the breadth of the rectangle, represent this velocity. So it is 6 meter per second. Second and second get cancelled. 12 6 is 72, 720 meter. Plus half multiply with height. Height means this difference PD. So this represents 6 second. Bracket the length of this represent A, that is VF. It is your 6 meter per second, plus this height represent CE is 12 meter per second. Now 720 meter plus 2 3 are 6, 3 second plus multiply with 18 meter per second. Second and second get cancelled. 18 1 18, 18 3 54. So it is 54 meter plus 720 meter. So it is 774 meter. That will be the displacement of the car on the state highway in 2 minutes 6 seconds of time interval. We have found this one by plotting the VT graph. If I want to write down the scale here, I can see that your x-axis, in x-axis 1 unit represent 20 second, and in y-axis 1 unit represent 2 meter per second. So this way we need to solve this question. Hopefully you will able to understand.